this one's up close. Oops. This one's up close. So it's a little more detailed. This one is like just the edge. Seems pretty far away. And I guess they're all facing the same way on this one, but that's the way it is, I guess. So yeah, this will have the petals, 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 petals. Then I'm gonna have to think about filling this in either black or this really nice blue that I like to use. I think I'll do blue, and then that way when I do the wire, the barbed wire, it will really stand out. But I think I'm gonna have to wait now for it to dry.